Hey guys, happy December and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I decided to participate in Vlogmas. Now, I'm not going to be posting every day, but I will be posting weekly vlogs instead. So as always, tune in every Tuesday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, I do want to say I did cheat a little bit. I didn't vlog yesterday. Today is actually December 2nd. I don't really have an excuse. I'll just say that yesterday was just a super rainy day and we just had one of those lazy days, and hey, everybody needs those days to just kind of like relax and chill and just not do anything, right? We've been up for quite a few hours now. It's currently 11:48 and I don't really know what we are going to do today. We might go out to eat, but I'm not sure. Right now I'm really not doing much. I'm just getting ready just in case. I do look a mess right now. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and start the vlog now, but I'll go ahead and take you guys with me while I do my makeup. I'm not really gonna do too much, just a little something to look like I kind of tried today. So let's just go head over there. Alright, so I have no idea what time it is now, but I just wanted to show you guys my outfit before we go. My shoes are from Vans, my pants are from PacSun, focus. My top is from Windsor, and then I have my jacket from Charlotte Russe, my Kors watch, just some pearl earrings, and just have my hair down, whatever which way it decided to go today, and yeah. So that's my outfit. I'll see you guys in a bit when we get to the restaurant. Bye. Hey guys, so we made it to the restaurant. I'm currently in the restroom though. There's just so many people and it's just so crazy. So I don't want to pull out my big camera just because, yeah, you know, I'm still a newbie at vlogging. So, you know, awkward. Alright, so we're on the iPhone and I just really quick wanted to let you guys know that if you were curious about my lip combination today, I am wearing ColourPop's lipstick in Gringe, and on top of it I have Maybelline Shine lipstick in the shade Baddest Beige. So that is what I have today on my lips. So that's what it looks like today. Again, I just really did something simple on my face. Not too much. I have IT Cosmetics BB cream, a little bit of concealer, some powder to set it, and then just some bronzer, and that's about it. And then of course, you know, mascara is on my brow. And that's it. So I'll see you guys soon when we order food. Okay, so this is the restaurant we are at. It's called the Juicy Crab, and I've already been here once before. I'm actually going to just get the same thing. It's the seafood combo with snow crab legs and the shrimp with no head, and I get it tossed in the juicy special. You guys will see what it looks like in just 1 second. You guys want a bit? Oh no, I'm okay. Thank you. Hey guys, happy December 3rd. Last night after we got done at the Juicy Crab, we basically just drove around and like did some sightseeing. If you guys don't follow me on my other social medias like Instagram or Twitter, then you guys probably don't know this, but I did just recently move to Jacksonville, Florida. So basically we just drove around the beach area just to kind of see what was around there, get us a little bit more familiar to things, and then we just basically came home, we chilled out and relaxed for the rest of the night. So I didn't really film much after we got done at the Juicy Crab. Today though, it is currently 9:45. I've been up for a couple hours now since about 7 o'clock. So far all I've done today is shower and get myself and Carson ready for the day, and then I just cleaned up a little bit around the house. I want to go to the store. I want to go to a few stores today to pick up a couple things for some videos that I want to do, and then also just some things that I just need in general. The only thing that is stopping me right now from going to the store is this weather outside. I'll show you guys right now what we have working with. So this is my patio. and I don't know if you guys can hear it. That's thunder. It's currently not raining right now. As you guys can see, this river right here is pretty still. Right now we're in this awkward period where like it's been like cold for 1 week, and then it's like hot for a couple days, and then it's cold again the rest of the week, and then hot a couple days, so on and so forth. So I think that's what's happening. I looked at the weather today when I was getting Carson dressed, and that's how I saw that it was raining, but I didn't know it was gonna be like this. And that's the only thing, is when the weather is like this, I don't really like to take Carson out like that, just because he's still such a young baby. He's only 2 months, but he's going to be 3 months on the 11th of December. So, you know, I just don't want to take any chances. You know, I'm a first time mom, so yeah, I'm one of those moms, okay? I guess you guys will see in a little bit if we end up going to the store or not. Update, it's only been like 2 seconds since the last clip, literally. Not even focused. So, update, it's only been about 2 seconds literally since I put you guys down, and it's storming now. So let me see if it'll pick up on the camera. I smell the water. You guys cannot see it. Okay, but now you guys might be able to see it better. Okay, let's see. There you go. Now you guys can see this weather. See, I personally don't mind the rain, but that's like when I'm not trying to do anything. You know, if I'm at home and I don't have any plans, like it can rain, but I have stuff that I need to do, and it's raining. So we'll see how today goes. So I got you guys set up on my tripod, and I decided I was gonna make breakfast. So I'm just gonna make some eggs and some toast. Nothing crazy, just super simple breakfast. And then I'm gonna eat my breakfast while I edit my video. And I just figured that we could just kind of chit chat while I cook my breakfast. So yeah. I'm going to use some coconut oil so my eggs don't stick. I have this cute itty bitty whisk. I love this whisk. I only use it when I make eggs though. It's so itty bitty, I mean, what else am I really gonna use it with? Some pepper. And then at the end, I'm gonna add some cheese. Okay, so here's my breakfast. Nothing too crazy, just like I said, some eggs with cheese and some toast. This is actually cinnamon raisin toast, and I just put some butter on there. As you guys can see, it's melting. That is my favorite. And then I'm just going to drink some of this Fiji water right here. And like I said, I was going to edit my footage from yesterday. Hey guys, so it's been a while. It's almost 1 o'clock and the weather has finally cleared up. Let me just show you guys. You guys see it's a little sunny out there. So we are going to go ahead and go to the store. I already looked at the forecast and I know it's gonna rain again today, so I'm just not even gonna bother with any makeup, and I'm just not even gonna get like super cute or anything like that. So let me just show you guys what I have on really quick. So I just have this Thrasher shirt on. This is actually my man's shirt, and then just some sweatpants from H&M and some Vans. I really love these Vans, actually. They're so freaking comfy. And then I'm just actually going to grab this, nope, not that, this little denim throw over top. And yep, that'll be my outfit. So I'll see you guys in a bit once we get to the store. And I'm just going to vlog off of my iPhone because I'm gonna also have Carson. It's just gonna be me. It's just gonna be too much to bring my bigger camera. So let's go. Hey guys, so we just got done at Walmart. I didn't film in there because one, I was trying to be really super quick, and two, Carson kind of started to get a little bit cranky. He was getting a little bit tired. Fell asleep close to the end. Right now he's sleeping. As you guys can see, we are at a new, what is this? We are at a new angle. Wow, I don't know why that took me so long to think of, because I did go and buy a new mount, and this one mounts onto, you can do three ways. You can do the windshield, the vent, or the dashboard, and I got you guys on the dashboard. It took me a little second to figure out how to use it, but I got it under control. So now we are just going to head home, and I'm gonna start making dinner. It's actually only almost 2:30, and sounds kind of early for me to be making dinner, but Quest gets home around like 3:30ish, 4 o'clock. It's just easier if I already have dinner ready, because he's usually really hungry by the time he gets off of work.
Hi, thank you for choosing Starbucks. We're gonna get started with you today.
I'll actually just take a grande vanilla iced coffee with almond milk.
Okay.
And can I just have light ice, and that's it?
All right, no problem. It's gonna be 3:16.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Yes, coffee. Guys, happy December 4th. Right now it is almost 11 a.m. We're about to leave and go to Carson's doctor appointment, but I just wanted to quickly show you guys my outfit. I'm wearing this top here from Windsor. These pants here are from PacSun, and then again I'm just wearing my Vans. I am going to put my pearl earrings in, and then I just have my hair halfway kind of clipped back. That way it's out my face. It's a little cold outside, so I think I'm going to layer up with another jacket. I'm not sure which one yet though. Alright, so just a quick update. I did throw on this leather jacket just to have, you know, an extra layer because it is pretty chilly outside. Hey guys, I haven't really vlogged much today. We just got done at Carson's appointment, and then I just went to go renew my ID, and I didn't have an appointment, so I waited an hour, and then the lady told me it was going to be another hour wait. So I'm just going to go there on Thursday since they're closed tomorrow, and I'm going to go when they first open. That way I don't really have to wait that long. Now I'm just eating some food. I got a cheeky little McDonald's. Don't tell anybody. And once I'm done eating this, I'm gonna head out and go to Carson's next appointment, and then once that is done, I can finally just sit and relax at home. By the way, I ended up taking my leather jacket off because it was cold, and then the sun came out, and now it's like hot. That's Florida for you though, so yep, just wanted to come on here and update. What's up guys? Happy December 6th. I think the last time I talked to you guys was on Tuesday when Carson had those appointments, and I was trying to renew my ID as well. I actually didn't get to renew my ID because I had to do like a walk-in. All their appointments are booked up pretty much for the rest of the month, and I didn't have enough like waiting time in between Carson's appointments, so I just said I would end up coming back. So now I'm back here, and hopefully I am able to get a new ID today. It's currently about 10 in the morning, so hopefully the wait isn't that long. We'll see. I'll update you guys in a minute. Hey guys, it's a bit later in the day. It's almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so Marquez should be home soon from work. I'm actually getting ready to make dinner, and I just thought I would just show you guys what I'm making today. So let's go ahead to the kitchen. For dinner today, we are having baked salmon, and I'm going to do white rice and some broccoli. So here's everything you will need. So for what you'll need for dinner is rice. This is the rice that I've chosen. It's just jasmine rice. You can choose whatever rice that you prefer. Then I have broccoli. Again, you can choose whatever side you would like as well. And then to season up my fish, I have onion powder and garlic salt, New Orleans style seafood seasoning, some Creole seasoning, and then just a complete seasoning. You can also use the Mrs. Dash if you don't have this one. Also going to be using some thyme, 1 lemon, and then this is my salmon here that I just got fresh from Publix. So I've already went ahead and preheated my oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Before I go ahead to prepare the salmon to go in there, I'm going to first get the rice ready. So what I'm going to do is just put 2 scoops of rice in here and prepare my rice before I go ahead and stick it in the rice cooker. And then I just like to add a little bit of olive oil in there. This is the olive oil that I'm going to be using. I just put literally just like a little splash of it, just to make the rice a little bit more softer. Now, before we go ahead and get into the fish, we want to prep our pan. So I'm going to line it. Today I'm going to use parchment paper, just because I feel like it's easier to get the fish off of the parchment paper as opposed to the foil. I am just going to put down a little bit of olive oil first and just kind of spread it all about the paper. Now that I have them cut up into pieces, I'm just going to make sure that the bottoms of them get some oil, as well as the top, but I'm going to put more oil on top. Alright, now that our fish has been evenly coated in the olive oil, I'm going to go ahead and put some seasoning all over it. So I'm going to start off with my onion powder, and I'm just going to lightly do the onion powder on here. Same thing with the garlic salt, just lightly, just because I am going in with so many different seasonings. I don't want it to be too crazy. Alright, now we're just going to lay a couple strips of our thyme on top. So, literally like so. I do about 2 per fish. And then you're just going to add your lemon. This is what your fish should look like before you put it into the oven. Alright guys, so it's been about 15 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and check in on my fish. I'm pretty sure it should be done about now. So here's what the fish is going to look like once it is done. Oh, doesn't that just look beautiful? Yes! Now I totally forgot to show you guys what the final look was for the meal. Basically, once the salmon got done, the rice was done, I didn't have to do anything else to it. But for that broccoli, like I said, I just put it in the microwave for whatever the directions said. I think it's about 4 to 5 minutes. Once it came out, I do put it on a pan on the stove, and I will put some shredded cheese on top, some lemon juice, and then just some pepper, and that's about it. I think that's about it for today. I know that the rest of the day we're probably just going to go to the gym and then just chill out and relax for the rest of the day at home. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.